Don't download Airtable Enterprise Workflow Hub app before watching this. Before you download Airtable Enterprise Workflow Hub, here's a truth most people miss. It's more than a spreadsheet on steroids. At the enterprise level, Airtable offers advanced workflow automation, database management, and cross-team collaboration, but without proper planning, it can become chaotic. Step 1. Define your workflow goals. Decide whether you're focusing on project tracking, content management, or internal operations. Most people get this wrong by trying to manage everything in one base, creating confusion and inefficiency. Step 2. Structure your databases carefully. Create clear tables, linked records, and consistent naming conventions. The surprising truth is, poor structure leads to duplicated work and missed tasks. Step 3. Set up automation. Use Airtable's automated triggers for notifications, approvals, and recurring tasks. Without thoughtful automation, teams waste time manually updating records. Step 4. Integrate with other tools. Airtable shines when connected to CRM, marketing, or analytics platforms. Ignoring integrations leaves valuable data trapped in silos. Step 5. Monitor usage and refine. Track base performance, workflow bottlenecks, and user adoption. Teams that skip this step often see underutilized software and frustrated employees. The upside? With proper implementation, Airtable Enterprise can increase team productivity by up to 30%, streamline workflows across departments, and give leadership real-time visibility into operations. So should you download it? Yes, but only if your organization defines clear workflow goals, structures databases thoughtfully, configures automation, integrates platforms, and actively monitors usage. For smaller teams, standard Airtable plans may be sufficient. Subscribe for practical tips on turning Airtable into a true enterprise workflow powerhouse.